Sing sang tay tay liho. My name is Julian, 25 years old, from Nagilian, La Union, Philippines. I am single and my educational attainment is senior high school. My hobbies are badminton and basketball. I am a pet lover and I have one dog and one cat. I work as a housemaid in the Philippines for 2 years. I serve one couple, two children, 1 month old baby, and 4 years old. My duties are taking care of children, ironing, doing laundry, and marketing. I want to work Hong Kong to earn and save money for my family. I'm willing to take good care of a newborn baby. I can sing nursery song like the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round and round. To my future employer, Mom and Sir, please choose me as your housemaid as because I am hardworking, obedient, honest, and trustworthy. I promise to be a good housemaid and I promise to finish my contract. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.